how to install your custom-made American Track Supply aluminum track hardware. Make sure to watch our other videos on our YouTube page and to place an order at americantracksupply.com. First thing is to lay out the track. We've already built your aluminum track system and pre-drilled it with holes to help your installation process. Similar to when you measured, start with side A and work your way around, making sure you have all the splices. They are labeled alphabetically. All of our orders will come with special self-tapping screws that are made to drill directly into your pre-drilled holes and into the grid of a drop ceiling or wood header. If you will be installing into drywall or concrete, you'll need to provide your own anchors. If you specified a wall mounting system, we will provide you the necessary brackets to successfully install your track and hardware. It's time to begin your install. Begin once again at side A. Using the provided screws and pre-drilled holes, work your way around. If the holes do not line up to your most ideal mounting situation, you can use the screws to drill directly through the track down the center channel to get your best hold. Visit americantracksupply.com to place an order today.